Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to send an HTTP request using Bot Framework Composer. The idea of this sample, we are sending one HTTP request to the one server. We get the result that it will return some image path. So we read that image path and using the card, let's say for example hero card, we use that hero card and we display the image. That's our idea. So for that first we have to go to this one, add node, and go to access external resource, select the type send an HTTP request. If you add this one, the right side you can see the some of the properties related to HTTP request. The first property is called HTTP method. Okay, what type of request you are going to give, whether get or post, some other types is there. In this sample, I'm going to use the get method, so I'm selecting the get. So next one is a URL. I will add this URL in the end. The next property is body. Okay, if any body is required the HTTP, you can add it. Or if you needed any key authentication in the header, you want to add it, you can use this add button. You can enter the information here. What is the key, authentication key and value, you can provide it. You can add multiple headers here if required. For this sample, I don't want to do this kind of header concept, so I'm just removing it, not required. Next property is a result property. Okay, once we send the request and we get the response, the composer. So we have to store into one property. Default, I go with this turn.results. So the value get it stored here. Another property is called content type. Okay, what type of content? Let's say is a JSON format or any plain text, you can select it here if required. Otherwise, you can leave it. And the response type. So what type of response you are going to get, whether the JSON or activity or binary data, you can select it. In this sample, response type also not required for me, so I just leave it. The URL I have to add it. So this is a URL. So this URL one, whenever you connected this URL, you get the some random images in the message property. So first I'm going to add the URL here. So this URL I want to connect. So next the result property, copy and just print the value. First we'll see the value is coming correctly or not. Next we'll implement the other features. So result, restart the bot, open web chat, restart the conversation. So we send message hi. Yeah. So here we see the result. So status code 200. That means our request is success. Response fields also the header information, the date, connection, everything. We don't want to this header information right now. We'll leave it. The main thing is this message. So message, there is a data is coming, some data, the image path data. So what we are going to do, first we'll check the status code. Okay, if status code is success 200, after that we'll read this message and we use the hero code and we display the data. Okay. So once we get the response, I'm going to add the condition, create a condition here, just close it, turn dot, I just copied already, I think. Yeah, yes. Result dot status code equal to 200. So we have to add the hero card. So adding the hero card is very simple. If you are using 2.0, bot framework 2.0, it's a very simple. Go to this plus symbol and select the attachment. And after that, select the add a new attachment, create from template. And here you see the cards, different card is available. In our use case, we need a hero card. So I select the hero card. So the hero card properties are default added. Here I will title make HTTP request. Sorry, HTTP request, subtitle not needed, text is not needed. I just delete it. I don't want image. So the image image here, we'll add turn, I think I copied, yeah, result dot content dot message, sorry, message, that's it. This information I don't want, I disable it, so it won't print. Restart the bot. Open web chat, restart the conversation, you send message hi. Yeah, here you see, so we read the message structure. So this message structure give the image path. So that image path we are using the hero card we are displaying. Maybe if you want to next image, yeah, here you get a different type of images. Yes. So next we'll see how to, one moment, yeah. So how to add the header. So if you want to send some authentication key in the header, so how to add it, how to send it, we'll see in